Hello viewers, Apple has just taken things to the next level with the brand new iPhone 17. Sleeker, faster and smarter than ever. This device is not just an upgrade, it feels like a complete reimagining of what an iPhone can be. With the powerhouse of A19 Bionic chipset, an ultra bright display and camera improvements that blur the line between smartphone and professional gear. The iPhone 17 is built to impress, but does it live to the hype or is it just another incremental step forward? Let's dive deep and find out what Apple got right and what you should know before buying a brand new iPhone 17 for you. Various modes are there inside the camera app. If you can customize, you can have a very good quality of your image. You can control camera, photographic styles. You can set the record video format such as 1080p 60 fps or 4K 60 fps. Also, you can record slow-mo. All these features can be updated in the camera app. There are different types of photographic style. You can choose according to your preference. This time you are getting two 48 megapixel camera at the back. The ultra wide sensor and the wide angle sensors both are 48 megapixel fusion camera. By going into camera resolution setting, you can set up to 48 megapixel of shooting mode and the details will be very good in images. After selecting that, you can choose between 24 megapixel and 48 megapixel mode, as you can see here, and the quality will be top notch from iPhone 17. Also, in the camera settings there is option of spatial audio or spatial recording. You can do so by sliding through the menus. You can find spatial audio or spatial recording, as you can see here. After iOS 26, the camera settings have changed altogether. You can see here the flash, live, exposure, timer, etc. And there are various styles you can choose from here. Both the cameras are capable of shooting 4K 60 fps videos. The same cameras have been used in 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. The main highlighting feature of iPhone 17 is the battery life. I am getting immensely good battery life from this iPhone 17. Actually, you can expect around 9 hours plus SOT on a single charge from this iPhone 17, which is incredible. The A19 chip is very power efficient. In this screenshot, you can see that already I have got 7 hours 56 minutes. This is the latest screenshot, and yet 35% battery is left. So easily I will get 9 hours plus SOT on a single charge, which is incredible for a phone like this. This time you will get always on display with iPhone 17. That was preserved for Pro models, but in this year the non-Pro models will also have this feature. So this feature is excellent, though in Android this feature is available for quite a long time. As iPhone 17 comes with 120Hz OLED display plus 3000 nits of peak brightness, easily you can watch the video. The visibility is excellent even in extreme outdoor conditions. You can see that in outdoor condition also the display is clearly visible and the content watching experience is excellent. So I think iPhone 17 is a worthy upgrade. If you are upgrading from iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14 or even 15, this is a very good update for you. And don't buy iPhone 16 because the price of iPhone 16 is around 53,000 rupees and you will get only 120 GB storage. And if you want to buy the 256 GB of iPhone 16, in that case the price would be around 65,000 rupees. So I think you should go for iPhone 17 by spending 77,000 rupees. And if you have any other iPhone, you can exchange that device and you will get extra 8,000 rupees bonus from iTech or any other Apple store. So let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought this iPhone 17 or not, or if you are planning to buy this iPhone or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you.